Hey guys, I'm back. I know I'm baking right now, so I just want to make sure I put on the perfect highlight for today. And if you guys have not noticed, my voice has been kind of raspy. Yeah, it was Pride West Hollywood. I was hosting the Unity stage with my favorite party, Club Poppy, and it was such a freaking weekend. So I apologize if I sound so raspy. Hey, the good news is I'm here. Quickly, I just want to shout out to everyone that has purchased one of my newest candles. Thank you so much for purchasing my Pride candles. If you guys have not picked up a candle yet, they are still available on my website. So go ahead and check out the links at the bottom here at centraltaboo.com. Thank you for the support. It means the world. We're gonna go ahead and play with something that I'm very excited for. I probably haven't been this excited about this palette probably since the James Charles palette. We all know James Charles palette was the palette because it had I want to say it was one of the first rainbow palettes that we haven't seen in a long time. That was pretty cool because you can only need one palette and you're just set. But I peeked at this palette and I'm actually super excited and super gagged. I'm gonna throw the James Charles one away. Bye. It's old news. In the studio today, I have BPERFECT. So before I introduce the new palette to you guys, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Honestly, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to me. It's for free. It's literally for free. Other than that, are you guys ready to see this palette? Let's get into it. So here you guys have it. This is the new BPERFECT Taboo. I haven't met her yet, but I work with Lord CHYNA. She's an amazing girl. Her Instagram is super dope. Her makeup, her artistry is insane. So I'm really actually shook and excited and surprised that she hasn't had a collaboration yet, and now she has one. And I'm so excited for CHYNA. Congratulations to Lord CHYNA for having this palette. Literally these colors, I trust her. This is exactly the perfect example on what I mean. Collaborations should not be Megan Thee Stallion. It should be artist people. It should be people that know how to do their own makeup. I'm so over this day and age where brands are only going after people that don't know how to do their own makeup. You know what I mean? Why would we trust that person? So I trust artist people because they know what they're talking about. They know what they're doing. So I love the fact that CHYNA is collabed with BPERFECT. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this palette. So obviously, you guys, the packaging is beautiful. It's this holographic moment, taboo. I mean, my company, Central Taboo. I love that. So in the back, it does show the colors and it gives you all the information here as well. So BPERFECT.com, get into it. Opening this up, here is the beautiful palette itself. Okay, y'all, see, this is exactly what I meant by me saying it's almost like that James Charles palette. It's almost like that perfect rainbow moment. I mean, look at these pinks, look at the red, look at the orange. I love that there's only one of each color, to be honest, besides the green and the blue. I just feel sometimes palette, having the same color more than one time is kind of really, you know what I mean? So I love that this is super simple. This is super to the point where if you need colors, here it goes. You know, I love that. And one of my favorite parts is obviously the browns on here. I relate to all four of these colors. It's just beautiful. I can definitely use them as transition colors, smoky shadows. They go really well with this. And if you guys check out Lord CHYNA's Instagram, literally her eye makeup is always a rainbow moment, and there's always so much beautiful butterfly colors. So I'm obsessed with this, and I can probably tell that she chose these colors. This is her go-to. I swatched a white. Girl, look at this yellow. I mean, I'm such a huge fan of BPERFECT Cosmetics because their pigmentation is just out of the world. They're just, I don't want to say they're underrated. I mean, a lot of people know what BPERFECT are, but I feel BPERFECT, for me, I'm waiting for that hit, you know, that moment to take it to the next level, because you guys already know Morphe was that girl, and I don't think Morphe is all that serious anymore. But other than that, I love this storyline. So I mean, let's just watch one more and then we can put something on. Look at this highlight. I want to highlight my shoulders. Look at that. Oh, love it. Okay, so I'm really honestly, I'm gravitating towards the greens. I think I want to do a super matte smoky green eye. Like, I think green is gonna be the color, the palette. All right, so now I'm gonna start off with a little primer. So I'm gonna use my About Face. These are the eye paints. I've been loving using eye paints because eye paints, they literally save so much time, and it just saves you from dabbing so much shadow, but it does enhance the shadow. So I've been like obsessed with these. Like, they're just so easy to use. I just go right on, just like this. Look at that, look how beautiful this is. Like, it's just, oh, and a little goes like a long way. Like, I didn't even redip. I love that I'm trying to like sell this to you. I just love it like this. You know, it's such a pretty color, but we're not gonna stop there. Let's go ahead and blend all that out. Blend, blend, blend. I just want to do like a simple green eye. Like, I don't know, for lately, I just like just simple one colors. Like, I probably like only now wear like 3 shades the most on my eyes. Before, I would like literally layer so much because I feel like that was like the look, but for some reason now, like, I just want to like wear just 2 colors, 3 colors, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this color called 99, and then closer to the eyelid, like, I'm gonna use the color Weirdo completely all over, so it's gonna give like that smoky hunter color. So I'm gonna use this as a blending color. Oh, it actually matches this beautifully. It's almost like setting the eye paint. And then now I'm gonna take a flat brush and using the color Weirdo, let's go ahead and press that on. Wow, look at that. I wanna like literally pack this on. Oh my God, look how stunning this freaking green is. I have not done an all over matte eye in like years. So I'm literally taking the green and I'm just literally packing it on. And I love how matte it looks. Like, it just looks so smooth, so sexy, so sultry, so just, ooh, look at that. Oh, that looks so good. I'm gonna test it right now and I'm just gonna blend these edges. Okay, I'm just gonna blend these edges. Look at that. How stunning. And it was so fast. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, obviously. So take that green and just kind of pack it. And obviously, you guys, there's like barely no fallout. I love that. Okay, so just do that. Oh, I just love like this moment. Same thing, take a brush and just kind of blend out the edges. Oh my God. Ooh, I love it. Really make sure this is green right here. So now, obviously, on the bottom, we're gonna go ahead and do like a green liner. So I'm looking for like a green liner. I know ColourPop sent me like these double sticks. Oh, here's a green liner. I've never used this one before, so I think that's gonna work. I just need some type of green like liner. See, like that. I kind of like it just like that, but we're not gonna stop there. I think I'm gonna do like, I think I'm gonna bring the green down. You guys know I love a smoky under eye. Look how pretty that looks. Oh, I love it. Cunt. Okay. So now that we have that on, let's go ahead and brush lightly this beautiful 99 color green. Put it all around. And I think we're gonna add a little black on the edge right here to kind of give it like some dimension. Oh, look at that black. She is there. Just a simple eye. 3 colors, that's all we need, you guys. Light green, dark green, and a little black to kind of really give it that twist. A little dimension. Look at that. Super simple, super easy. Makeup doesn't have to be so difficult. Oh, I love it. And I'm gonna add one more thing, a little liner on my waterline to kind of deepen it up just a tad bit. And then I wanna say we're pretty much done. Like, I'm really satisfied with this. Like, I love how simple and how green it is. You know, like, I mean, if I wanted to like literally layer it more, I would probably put like a little yellow here and really give it like that sunburst. But I think I just love it the way it is. See, a little liner. A little liner can't hurt nobody. And then a little liquid liner on top because the lashes are just gonna bring it all together. Oh, I love it. All right, guys, so we checked out the Lord China palette Taboo. So give me a few minutes. I'm gonna snap on a wig, get kind of dressed up a little bit, and show you guys the final look with this beautiful green eyeshadow. Y'all, the green is like literally my favorite in the palette. Oh my goodness, Taboo, like, everything. At the beginning of this video, I did mention like, okay, James Charles palette, goodbye. Obsessed. Like, I literally feel like Buttercup from the Powerpuff Girls for sure. But yeah, this is super dope. I love this palette. I recommend it. And if you guys are also interested in this palette, you guys can check out BPERFECTCosmetics.com and use my code. It will save you money off at the end, or honestly on anything else you guys want to buy. Other than that, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for playing Wake Up with me. I will see you guys in a few days. I love you. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And also, if you guys have not picked up a Pride candle yet, check out the link down below. And thank you for purchasing a candle. I cannot wait to see them in your house, and I know they would just smell really lovely. I love you.